Now let's create a report. From the teacher dashboard, you can create a report using the Quick Action section at the top. To create a report, click Create Report. The Add Attention Alert panel opens. At the top, you'll see the Alert Type field. From here, you can choose the type of alert, such as Custom Alert, Practice Hours, Attendance Rate, or Progress Assignments. Below that, select the student you want to create the alert for. Next, enter the alert title and choose the reason for the alert. Under that, you can add additional details or notes in the Details section. This part is optional and can be used to explain the situation or provide extra context. Once everything is filled out, click Save. After saving, the alert will appear on your dashboard in the Students Needing Attention section. To see all reports, click Reports from the left side menu. At the top of the Reports page, you'll see all students who currently need attention based on the alerts you've created. Below that, you'll see key metrics that update automatically, including active students, lesson completion, no-shows, cancellation rate, and completed tasks. Further down the page, you'll see the Student Progress overview. When you click on a student, a sliding panel opens where you can view more details related to that student's progress.